Second algorithm in finding minimum spanning tree is Kruskal's algorithm. So let's see Kruskal's algorithm today. So these are steps to solve minimum spanning tree problem using Kruskal's algorithm. So first, sort all the edges in non-decreasing order of their weights. Second step, pick the smallest edge. Check if it forms a cycle with the spanning tree formed so far. If cycle is formed, include. Cycle is not formed, include this edge, else discard it. And you just have to repeat step 2 until there are v-1 edges in the spanning tree. So this is the simplest most algorithm for finding minimum spanning tree. So let's solve one problem based on this. So same problem we have taken from last Prim's algorithm example. So the algorithm is greedy algorithm. The greedy choice is to pick the smallest weight edge that does not cause a cycle in the minimum spanning tree constructed so far. So this is your given graph. So total number of vertices are 9 and there are 14 edges. So in minimum spanning tree there will be 9 minus 1, that is 8 edges. So there our algorithm will stop. After sorting, first we need to sort all these edges by their weights. So you can see weight 1, which is in between 7 and 6. So source and destination is mentioned. Next there are 2 edges with weight 2, this edge and this edge. So both of them are added here. Next you have here there are 2 edges with weight 4. Then you have weight 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 14, so on. So all the edges are sorted by their weights and their source and destinations are mentioned. Now next is you just have to keep on picking one by one edge and just find whether you are forming a cycle or not. So first pick edge 7, 6. So are we forming any cycle in this minimum spanning tree because of this edge? No. So we are picking that. Next, pick edge 8, 2. So after picking this edge there is no cycle, so include that edge. Next edge is 6, 5. So still we are not forming any cycle, so include that. Next we are picking 0, 1 edge with weight 4. So are we forming any cycle? No, include that. Next we are picking 2, 5. So are we forming any cycle yet in the minimum spanning tree? No, so include it. Next pick edge 8, 6. So if we add 8, 6 edge in between these two vertex, it will form this cycle. So we are skipping or we are discarding that edge. Next pick edge 2, 3 with weight 7. So are we forming any cycle? No, so pick it. Next pick edge 7, 8. So 7, 8 if we pick, so if we pick 7, 8, we will be forming this cycle 7, 8, 2, 5, 6, 7 like this. We will be forming a bigger cycle, so we cannot include that edge, so we discard that. Next edge 0, 7. So after adding 0, 7 we are not forming any cycle, so include it. Next edge is 1, 2. So after including 1, 2 we would be forming a cycle, a bigger cycle like this 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 0, 1. So we have to discard 1, 2 edge. Next pick edge 3, 4. So after picking 3, 4, we are not forming any cycle, so include it. Now you can see all the vertices are covered, since the number of edges includes included in the minimum spanning tree equal to v minus 1. So we have to stop our algorithm here. So if all the vertices are covered, no need to go further, stop our algorithm there itself. So this is our final answer for minimum spanning tree. So Kruskal's algorithm is very simple. Sort all the edges with their weights, and one by one you have to choose with the smallest edge and go on adding it if it doesn't form cycle. That's all. Thank you.